You're marinating the meat here, and you are making sauce. Just like that, and mix it slightly. You guys were excellent today. You should be proud of what you made. Piggy, did you guys like the chicken? Salad is okay?
I like all salad. Salad dressing. Yeah. That's very high.
Chicken's flavorful. Second stir-fried chicken cooking class, evening class, is about to start, and this will be in the carrot salad station, away from the meat, and I'm gonna serve it with jasmine rice. We'll have fun. So now you guys are moving on to make the sauce, right? Yes. Doing good. We are about to put the sauce here this moment. This is second group evening cooking class.